Why memories change over time. What if I told you that your brain has been lying to you for years? Imagine remembering your favorite childhood moment with complete confidence. Now imagine finding out it never happened the way you remember it. Sounds impossible, right? But science says your memories are changing every single time you remember them. But before we dive in, if you're curious about psychology, human behavior, and mind-blowing facts that actually make you think, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join Mind Growth HQ. Also, leave a like if you enjoy learning something new. Now, let's uncover why your memories change over time. Your brain is not a video camera. It doesn't save perfect recordings. Instead, it stores tiny pieces of information like emotions, sounds, faces, and feelings. Then, every time you remember something, your brain rebuilds that memory from those pieces. That means you're not replaying the past, you're actually recreating it. And every recreation can change it, just a little. Think about a story you've told your friends many times. Each time you tell it, you might add a small detail, forget another one, or make it a little more dramatic. After years, that new version can become the one your brain believes is real. This is why two people can experience the exact same event, but remember it completely differently. Your emotions also rewrite your memories. If you're happy today, you may remember the past more positively. If you're sad or stressed, your brain may focus on the painful parts instead. Even hearing someone else's version of a story can quietly change what you believe happened. That's why eyewitnesses can honestly disagree, even when both think they're telling the truth. Your brain isn't trying to trick you. It's trying to make your memories useful, not perfect. Scientists call this memory reconstruction, and it's one reason humans can learn, adapt, and survive. A flexible memory helps us prepare for the future, even if it means changing parts of the past. So the next time you say, "I remember it exactly," remember this. Your memory may feel real. It may feel complete. It may even feel impossible to question. But every time you revisit the past, your brain picks up the paintbrush and quietly paints the picture again. If this fact surprised you, don't forget to subscribe to Mind Growth HQ for more fascinating psychology videos. Your mind is far more mysterious than you think. See you in the next video.